Hey guys, this is, my first time doing a reaction video. Actually, it kinda isn't. I actually have a second channel called Crimson Berry, and that's where I do my reactions. Anywho, and him, anywho, 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 I gotta say something. So the PS5 trailer came out today. I have a PS4. What happened? What do you know? To my surprise, I see this game. My friend tells me about the series called Little Big Planet. I get the game. I enjoy a lot of it. Wait. Instead, however, that was actually a dream. Yeah, like that whole thing was real. Man. I think. So imagine my surprise when I see this game called Sackboy, A Big Adventure. It talked about a lot. And people say, "Oh, Sackboy's back. Sackboy's back. Look, he's back." I thought Little Big Planet, really, I thought Little Big Planet was just like some weird fever dream I had lately. So much people said, "Look at this! Sackboy, A Big Adventure. It's a new Little Big Planet game." I mean, are you serious? I thought Little Big Planet was just a weird, random fever dream that I thought didn't exist. Then I see this. Oh boy. So today we're going to react to why people say Sackboy's back. This game looks promising. As today, my friends, we are going to look at Sackboy, A Big Adventure. Time to... Wait, hang on. Alright. Time for the trailer. Ooh, love that new logo. Sumo Digital. Never heard of them before. What do they do? Well, I think they're a game company. It's like Spain. What is this game about? Huh? I'm a sucker for platformers. I mean, action platformers, if you didn't know that. And I'm getting this game already. So, what happened? Okay, you know what? There's oh yeah, there it is. Alright. We're gonna restart again. Alright. I'm gonna get this game already. I love games. I love action platforms. I love games in style of this. Like, to be fair, I love games with a style. Like, really, I actually do. I love this, school kindergarten project style. It gives a whole new vibe to any game you play with it. Sadly though, I can't get Paper Mario since I'm too poor. Oh well, at least my dad broke controller. Anyway, let me just shut up and watch the trailer. mentioned? Have I mentioned? Listen, if you talk to me in if you were one of my friends on Roblox and I talked to you in like conversation, I would sound like English is not my first language. Like really, I said, have I mentioned? I said, have I mentioned, not have I mentioned. Anyway, let me again, just shut up and shut up. Well, you're also going to be watching this other video about this new game called Ratchet and Clank. Rift Apart. It's again one of those cases of, I don't know the studio, I don't know this game. Oh, wait, hang on. Keep running, bro. Well, that's the video. Now, let's see here. I think I first whole Ratchet. Yep, when you know. Trailer, yes. I also love games with like these alien creatures. Games that let you shoot. Which is 95% of every game ever. Was it like 30%? I don't know.
You all right back there? No way.
Why does every game trailer see have like everything I love in it? Last one had everything I already loved in it. Action platforming, 3D. Oh yeah, I forgot to look at 3D. And school project style, yeah. That. What? This has to be crazy. So I'm guessing Clank is like the robot, and Ratchet is the Wombax. And I'm gonna say that I'm going to completely guess Ratchet species because I have no idea what a species is. However, if it is a Wombax, like I just said, thank you for telling me that. I'm gonna guess this is like a cutscene, or it's just trailer. Like, if it's a cutscene, sure.
Ratchet,
I don't know.
we are too late. Ratchet? Who?
Oh, wait, stop. Wait, hang on. Who was that? I want you to. I'm gonna pause on this image. What? Who are you? What are you? I don't know. I'm probably gonna end the video. Anywho, see you later, mates.